Well, every day, millions of people go to the web to update their lives and their status on social media sites like MySpace, Facebook, and Twitter. But in this special report, CTV's Nadia Matos explains how many could be logging themselves straight into a lawsuit.
Ashton Kutcher is one of the most followed celebrities on Twitter. He has more than 4 million followers. So does Britney Spears. Both love social media and sing its praise. After all, it's the most direct way to communicate with their fans. But other stars like Kim Kardashian and Courtney Love have typed their way into trouble. Both sued after posting defamatory tweets.
It's the stuff that used to happen, over the telephone or in a coffee shop. Today, the forum is, Facebook or a blog.
The cases of online defamation aren't exclusive to the U.S. It can and has happened here in Canada. Toronto-based internet trial lawyer Gil Zvulony says he sees about 1 to 2 cases of online defamation a week.
All of a sudden, Facebook comes out and takes all these different technologies. It makes it really simple, from your BlackBerry to just boom. You upload it online, and then everybody knows how you're feeling that day. And if you're upset at your neighbor, everybody knows about it.
A 25-year-old Chicago woman found out the hard way. She was venting to her friends on Twitter about her landlord. Who said sleeping in a moldy apartment was bad for you? Horizon Realty thinks it's okay. The problem, it wasn't just her friends that saw the tweet. The management company sued her for $50,000.
Most of the time when people are posting, they just think they're chatting amongst their friends, and they have not a clue of how public or how widely spread that their material will be seen.
Law professor Mark Perry says people are making their private thoughts public, exposing themselves and becoming vulnerable to potential defamation lawsuits.
If you put something on your Facebook page that's defamatory, likely to lower the reputation of a person in the view of their peers, then that's defamation, whether you put it in a newspaper, you put it on a billboard, or you put it on a Facebook page.
In the case of the 25-year-old Chicago woman, the judge ruled in her favor to dismiss the suit. But her case has opened up the doors to other Twitter-related libel cases. Here in Canada, most are settled out of court, but there's the cost of lawyer fees and civil litigation that can be pricey. Author and social media guru Joel Postman has a blog dedicated to social media. He says most people aren't keeping up with the do's and don'ts of online etiquette. We reached him in Boulder Creek, California, via Skype.
If you don't want it on the front page of the New York Times, don't put it in an email, don't put it in chat, and now don't put it in Twitter, don't put it on Facebook.
In fact, all 3 experts said the same thing. Posting things online makes you a publisher and liable for your pictures and your comments. Nadia Matos, CTV News, Kitchener.